Greetings, this is Earthman from Origami's Living Soil, and I'm so happy that you are watching this video. I hope that God's blessing you this day. And we're going to talk about the last part of saving seeds from the Genovese plant. Got a nice little cluster going on here. I had some really good plants. Oh, here we go, a nice little cherry tomato. Gonna eat that. Very good. And I got some nice Genovese plants. I want to carry the genetics up. Yes, my plants are starting to die a little, but very productive with big, beautiful, rear tomatoes and huge plants. And so I want to hold on to the genetics. You know, this one just went, that's 10-foot pole. So it went about 10 foot, 11, and very productive. I've gotten a lot of tomatoes from these plants. So let me show you over here. Okay, there it is. That's what it looks like after you squeeze the seeds into the container of your choice and cover it up so you don't get fruit flies and stuff loosely, and put it in a dark, cool place. And then this happens, and you know, forms a little mold on there, a little yucky stuff, and it's a little stinky. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour that in this strainer, and then I'm going to get a bucket of cold water, and I'm going to rinse the seeds off until I get all the pulp and all that yucky stuff off there, and I'm left with just the seeds. And then I'm going to put those on a paper towel momentarily, because I don't want them to dry on the wax tape, the paper towel. I just want them, to dry out completely, because they'll stick. And then I switch them over to wax paper and let them dry further, and then you're good to go. You got lots of seeds for the next season. And I think I only milked maybe like 4 tomatoes, 3, and I'll have tomatoes all year long next year. When it pertains to Genovese, I won't have to buy them, which, you know, it's not a lot of money, but you know, everything adds up. And but I know what genetics I got. I know that the different tomatoes from the different plants. I didn't just go with one. I went with 3 different strong plants. I know that I have a strong genetic line, and I know that next year when I grow them, I won't have a weak, wimpy plant I bought at Home Depot that's half sick and has really not good genetics. I have good genetics here. I know it's a long video, but that's it. That's the last part, and may God bless you this day. Have a good one.